100. And they go 0 to 100. Charlie, let me tell you, 0 to 100. And they go 0 to 100.
Alrighty, hey you guys, this is Chrissy Conda here for you guys that are new and for you guys that have been here. What's up? Today's the 1st of December and I'm in shambles. So the goal for today was definitely to finish up my morning routine. I'm gonna catch you guys at the laundromat. Laters. I just finished running my little errand and I feel a lot better. I definitely can get back into Vlogmas. We are going to do some laundry. We're going to try out this mukbang and probably like chit chat jam out. And that's literally going to be today. That's it. So I'm going to catch you guys when I'm at the laundromat. And yeah, laters. Alrighty, hey you guys. It is pushing towards 1 in the morning. I have finished the morning routine. Day 2 is done. I just got to do final tweaks. But I wanted to do the mukbang with you guys. So these are the noodles I wanted to try with you guys. J Nice. She's the one that said these are like the best noodles. Now they only have like this version. It's like spicy or whatever. I don't know. They only have this specific one, so.
Jesus is Lord.
I'm not gonna lie, this is OD. Yeah, I saw how long I was doing that for. Like, I saw that. Oh, I'm so exhausted right now, y'all. Like, I cannot even lie. Like, Vlogmas on top of finals, on top of family stuff, on top of working out, on top of, oh, and today Mother Nature came. I just needed to be January ready. I'm kind of over this year. This year ended off so terribly for me, you guys. For me to still be in high spirits is truthfully a miracle. I'm sure I'm gonna feel better tomorrow. It's just I'm tired. So this is my honest review on this. Okay. Jai likes that hot stuff. Jai. Baby, I can never keep up. But let's go. Like this, it's the quality. Because I don't be eating noodles like that. But this is giving quality. For a cup of noodles, this is definitely top quality. Yeah, they did their big one on this. They did their big one. This is such quality. Okay. Okay, Jai. You did your thing with this one. Why when I got out the shower, I automatically put on my sunscreen. Because it's such a habit. I'm not a mask girl the way I used to be, but my sleep schedule has not been good since Vlogmas has started. Ooh. Hey, I'm definitely gonna get more of these. But these are, I even forgot how much they were. Sorry, y'all. But next time we go grocery shopping, I'm gonna get more. I'm gonna get more of this. I will definitely catch you guys in my... Alrighty, you guys. I'm definitely gonna catch you guys tomorrow. Oh, it's gonna be so long.